Hello， 上次條片講到我哋去咗耶魯滑雪場，可能大家都有留意到我住嗰個單位都幾大下啦。咁其實佢有4層㗎咯，咁所以我自己都 surprise 咗。我哋行到去攞 ski pass 嘅時候，我都沿路不斷咁同我啲 friend 係咁講，我超開心咯。I'm overly excited. No, because of our luxurious place. We have 4 floors. With a sauna and a bathtub. 呢個單位對我嚟講真係太豪華啦，咁所以呢，我都錄咗一個 room tour 俾大家睇下，咁所以唔講咁多啦，去片。班隔離呢，即刻有個係儲物室嚟嘅，咁我可以裝啲 ski 放喺度啦，然之後仲有燙衫板啊嗰啲，不過我哋應該都唔會用嘅啦。呢度咧就係一入門口，咁喺呢度係1樓啦，就有2間房嘅。咁呢度就係我同另一個 friend 嘅一間房啦，我瞓上格床。個窗出邊咧望到個景超級靚咯！你 imagine 你每一日起身都係咁樣，超正！然之後呢度有第2間房，就係另外2個 friend 住嘅。佢有自己嘅廁所，不過我哋都係 share 㗎啦。去廁所要行樓梯落去，我覺得都幾特別啦。然之後佢仲有浴缸，我已經勁耐冇見過浴缸咯，超級正。然後我哋可以去 basement 度睇，都幾多級樓梯下。呢度有個角落頭係，我唔清楚佢做咩，都幾 set 下。首先唔得，揾唔到盞燈，但係佢有鏡啦，然之後佢有一啲放衫放鞋嘅地方。咁呢度應該咧出去咧就係 parking lot 嚟嘅。另一邊咧都係有掛衫嘅地方啦，然之後佢係另一個廁所，咁就係企缸、廁所、洗衣機，然之後。佢有自己嘅桑拿，呢一間屋有自己嘅桑拿咯，我覺得超級正，對我嚟講係一件勁豪華嘅事咯。我從來未試過住一個地方係有自己嘅桑拿，即係通常最多都係酒店出邊係公用嘅咁樣，咁但係唔係咯，呢度係有自己嘅一個桑拿。我哋成班女仔已經決定咗呢嘢一定會用呢個桑拿咯，因為真係太正啦。我翻返去1樓，咁我哋可以上去。咁呢一層咧，仲有另一道門可以出到去，然後都係有一樣嘅晾衫架啦。然之後我哋嘅 living room， Hi， 然之後就係廚房，佢有洗碗機添咯，煮食爐啦，焗爐都有。然之後睇下啲 equipment 有冇先，有糖啊、鹽嗰啲。碗碟啊、杯啊嗰啲都有，佢仲齊過我自己屋企個廚房咯。然之後佢個廳有好大嘅 sofa 咯，然之後仲有一張大餐台啦，同埋有電視機。What are you guys playing? I know that is a game.
No, it's called games.
Oh, okay.
Games. It's called games. Ha! The games here.
Are you guys playing the same thing?
Yes, it's the same game, but for some reason, some say with a K, some say with a G.
我哋開咗我哋嘅 Should I say English? Thank you. We have our fireplace. But it's actually, yes. So the wood are fake.
Jeg tror kanskje den bandagen er i straff.
Yeah, but it feels like wood. It's really nice. And it's warm.
And it's real flame, so it doesn't feel fake. Veldig behagelig.
然之後呢一層咧望出去咧就係咁樣，所以我哋都會喺樓下嗰一層就入嚟。 咁我哋就唔使行咁多斜路。
Yeah, with the top.
我最後一層係頂樓嚟嘅，咁所以咧佢都比較細咯。佢嗰個 rooftop 因為佢係斜㗎啦，咁所以啲床位咧都唔係咁好。咁佢基本上都有衣櫃嗰啲嘅，咁但係佢個床就都瞓到嘅，都舒服嘅，但係就要小心啲咯，好容易冚到頭。另一邊嘅床都係咁樣嘅，咁就總共有2間房。頂樓都有佢自己嘅廁所，咁就係正正常常所有要用嘅嘢都有晒咁樣，但係就冇乜特別。仲有塊全新嘅頂樓就係咁多啦。OK， 簡單嘅 room tour 就完咗啦。咁我哋咧依家就會換衫，然後咧就出去 snowboard。咁所以我哋就下條片再見啦，拜拜。